We're here in Vietnam. We made it.
We are at Spiritual Coffee Roaster, and we just ordered, and we're waiting for Julia and Kelly to come join us, and her lovely cousins drove us here first. What a ride, honestly.
Yeah. Your first motorcycle ride. How did you feel?
It was our first one.
Oh, in Vietnam.
Yeah, in Vietnam. It was our first one. Yeah, chaotic as hell.
Chaotic, so chaotic. The traffic here is
so
crazy.
Hot. The traffic here is crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna leave my hair down at any day and point in time. I think my hair is just gonna
Currently going to the bank to exchange some cash. So it's just me and my cousin. The girls are chilling at the cafe.
As soon as we landed and exchanged our money, we got straight to shopping. We had no time to dilly-dally because we only had 48 hours before we headed into the next city. So with that in mind, I would actually advise against going to District 3 if you needed some bangers immediately. This is because the vibe of the shops at this street are very fast fashion, low quality, and quick turnover. Also, most of the stores here were catered towards hyper-feminine, very small framed bodies, so it was hard to find pieces that fit nicely in styles I liked. In terms of effort, there was very little reward for navigating the abundance of clothing along with the very busy street and minimal sidewalks, which can get overstimulating fast. The upside about this street is that clothing can be very, very cheap, but unless you have a specific store in mind, I would suggest going to District 1 instead, which you will see later in the video. One, so cute. Okay. Luscious.
Look at that.
Lush life.
The ship is $20. $20? Yeah. $20.
Was it worth it for you?
So.
How do you feel?
It was so good. I slept.
I
slept like a baby.
She said you guys are picky with spa, so hopefully you guys
No, it was good.
No, it was so good. I'm so tired.
Ở đây cái này là lòng bò tiêu dài nè, mua ăn cái nào cái kia mềm là nó giống phở á. Đúng rồi, mềm là giống phở, hiểu không?
Oh yeah. Ăn trước để bụng ăn. Do you guys want to try one? I don't know if they have cà phê trứng. Thêm một cà phê kem trứng.
Xây một vòng đi.
We're gonna get some drinks. He said stay. It doesn't compare to
a banh mi review. I eat banh mi all the time. That banh mi was was the bread was perfectly crispy. The meat, it was not too fatty, it was not too skinny, it was absolutely perfect. It was the perfect size so that we're able to like eat more banh mi's later. And then the chilies, it was like slightly like, I feel like it was a little bit pickled almost, the chili. It was like a different type of chili.
Yeah. It was a little bit pickled.
Yeah, it was a little bit pickled, which took away from the spiciness, but it was perfect because I personally can't eat that spicy. I rate that like a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Because it was not too much. It was the perfect amount of meat. It was the perfect amount of veggies. Bread, perfectly crispy, and I don't like my bun too hard.
Yeah, it was soft.
Fragile front teeth.
Yeah.
Front teeth.
10 out of 10, come up. Yeah.
Không, mà ra ngoài Hội An nhiều.
Oh, the dog is being busy. Wow! Oh my god.
Oh, Lord.
Oh lordy. Oh lordy.
Con cô Lan nhớ không?
Xin chào.
Con đi bạn của con nè. Doesn't she look like my mom?
Yeah. So cute.
Nhớ con không? Nhớ. Ui.
Uống nữa không?
My cuties. The G's. The J's.
Hôm nay thì thêm chả đó anh.
Đó là chả.
Is he gonna eat right now?
Của anh.
I'm gonna take videos so many ways. Yes. Look gorgeous. Baddies.
Pose for me. Pose for me. Big arrow. Big arrow.
Yeah. Dude, she wrapped
How
it
would
like
you-
multiple times.
How would you rate your driver, Kelly?
Good. Very good.
Xong rồi hả?
Lipstick tastes like Candyland. Sticky sweet, gummy pears. Mind if I sit on your lap? Can you handle that? A movie scene, I'm a thriller.
I'm not usually one to like overhyped places on Instagram or TikTok, but Rumish actually lived up to the hype. There were a wide range of pieces with varying prices, and the shopping experience was much better. The clothing was much higher in quality, and the sizing also seemed to be much more inclusive. In some sections, I saw sizes up to XXL. If you're shopping in Vietnam, I would say start here first and then work your way around the District 1 shops. Then if you have more time, explore stores in other areas. I'll definitely be back.
Can you